I would do anything to go to Tokyo.
I got the tickets.
But they canceled those.
I know I can't go, but I really wish I could.
Hey guys, this is Ko from Tokyo.
Hello.
This is Yoyogi Park.
渋谷を見てみたいですか? We're going to get kakigori, which is our favorite summertime treat.
That's amazing.
近づいてみよう。おー。
Let me show you these hidden alleys. Let's go in. My friends, actually, oh my god!
Yeah, that's my kind of place.
A square watermelon.
Look at how big it is. Here is my favorite cat cafe.
They're so fluffy.
It's a cat lollipop.
Guys, I'm gonna spend the whole time in the cat cafe.
Meeting local people takes you from being an outsider to becoming an insider.
Where to next?